Okay, this is called Rua dos Ervanários. Got some live music right here too, so that's kind of cool. So we're gonna walk all the way down it. We're gonna visit Pedro and just say hello real quick. And this is kind of the entrance. You can see all this black and white tiled floor everywhere. There's okay, some coffee shop. And this is kind of not too far from Sao Paulo ruins. Hopefully that live music comes back. There it is. I'll see who's playing that music too. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you. Okay, so I'm with my son here. Fist bump. Yeah, there we go. So that's check this out. Come here. Come here. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Come here. Come here. Come here. All right. So we're gonna be walking down the street. We're gonna check it all out, and we're gonna see where that live music is coming from as well. And I think it's coming from right here. So I think what we're gonna do is try to walk across there real quick. I think we can try to come around this way, and then we're gonna go down that way in a moment. So it looks a little bit quiet at the moment, but let's just see what this is real quick. It's kind of cool. They got some music out here at nighttime though. Let's just kind of capture this real quick. Come here. Gotta watch out because there's cars coming, so you can't just run like that. Sorry. We got some live music right there too, so we're gonna just watch that, okay? You got that. Hey, buddy. We're gonna walk down that way. We'll walk down that way. Just stay right here. There's another car. There's a car. Just wait right here. Too. Actually, the streets are kind of narrow, so we're gonna have to get away from the bus real quick. Okay, and I kind of want to capture the scene over here real quick. There's some really beautiful artwork that we can see down that way, but I think I would capture it from another angle. We'll just go back in. So let's go in this way. Okay. Fist bump. All right. So that's stay with me. We're gonna go down this way, okay? So we're gonna go down this way. Let me just kind of highlight a little bit. This way. We're gonna come this way. He's autistic. He hangs out with me, follows me, which is great. So I get to hang out a little bit with my son there and show you some streets. So a lot of times he's with me anyways. I usually try not to film him, but I think it's kind of good to film him because I got memories of it. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of capture. So we got some beautiful artwork, and then across the street we have some something I want to capture as well if we can. And that's that colorful spot right there. And we're probably gonna go to that alley in a second, but you can kind of see it like that. So many cars. This alley isn't so good for walking. Okay, so now we can see it at nighttime. Oops. There we go. Okay, cool. And up here we also have another alley too. So we're gonna just kind of glance real quick. So it's called Calzada de Amparo, and that one goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins. There's a lot of stuff up here as well. Nighttime's not the best time to film, but we're gonna go back to that little alley over there. So our target street was Ervanários, street of the Herbalists. It's got a little bit sidetracked, which is the original name of our channel. Let's come back in here. Okay. So you got a lot of antique shops everywhere down here. So this is kind of what we missed. And we're just going to say hello to Pedro at food truck here real quick, if he's not busy. Might just say a quick hello. This is kind of cool. This is a little pet place. I think it's like a pet, like you can get coffee and there's pets there. Let me say hello real quick if I can see him. It's Pedro's place. I don't see him. But that's a really good place. That's food truck. So you got Portuguese food. I was gonna say hello. That looks kind of cool too. This is they keep changing everything. Oh, there he is, right there. I'm gonna go back and say hello. Hey, Pedro.
Hello.
Filming your street. I thought I'd say hi. You want to say something about food truck on camera?
Food truck is here.
What's the best thing to get here?
The best thing is a steak, and this gentleman is a beer.
Sounds
You
like
want
a
a
good
beer,
plan.
sir? Please, welcome. Let's see if the guy goes inside.
He is. Okay, good job. What
service, sir?
Perfect. Let's end it right there.
And today on the 8th
Yeah.
is the party.
Oh,
beer is
somebody's
very
birthday?
cheap. Yeah,
Oh,
today.
that's today. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So every month on the 8th, they always have how much is the beer on the 8th? It's
$10 the small, 15 the big.
It's really good. All right, thanks, Pedro. Talk to you again soon. Talk to you again soon. So yeah, that's right. So the 8th is always cheaper beers on the 8th. So yeah, so that was kind of cool. So that's in this little alley right here, and they got a lot of kind of cool stuff everywhere. Coffee shop stuff. Actually, they used to have some, oh, they got it again. There's a restaurant all the way down, so I can see some people way down there. Just kind of capture our street real quick. So yeah, at nighttime, it's daytime, they put like little stalls all the way out here as well. But so this is the Moros. We're going to come out to the end in a moment, and then you can see the sign too. So Arraial na Ervanários, and that's like Arraial. It's Para Amaral. Must be like a meeting point or something. I don't know. But this is kind of the beginning point. So let's just go a little bit further, and then we're going to end this street. Ooh, looks like they're going to make this into something different. So that's our street right there, Rua dos Ervanários. That's a cool kid I hang out with, Tim Sydney. And let's just kind of see what this is real quick. The gem shop. It looks like they're doing something here. Oh, this might be, we got something here, so they're doing something, and I think this might, we're gonna check it all out. This will be another film. So anyways, this is Rua dos Ervanários. And that was our target street right there. All right. Hey, welcome to Macau. We're documenting the streets and seeing what it all looks like in 2023 for you.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.